back, guys, to SuburuWRXFan TV. I'm your host, Randy. We have an exclusive video today. We're gonna have an exclusive look at the new Corvette C8 Z06. They're having a tour right now, and we're one of the first people to go see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and record this for you guys. It's gonna be like an hour-and-a-half trip, but I'm gonna do this for y'all. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now, so you won't miss out on, you know, some crazy cars coming to the channel. And also like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And yeah, see ya soon. Want something to eat?
Yeah, you can pick us some breakfast.
Where?
Anywhere. Your choice.
Let's go to McDonald's.
Sheesh.
Morning. Thank you.
Wait, I said orange juice.
Yeah,
this orange juice?
You said apple juice.
Oh shit! No, I said orange juice. I got it on camera. Let me show you.
Yeah, I know you did. You record this. Alright, thank you. Yo.
Oh, well, I got the Snapple anyway. It'll be alright.
Yo, my man's out here tweaking. Oh yeah, if you're wondering where my Z is at for you returning subscribers, it's still at the shop. So right now we're in the Range Rover Velar. So this video is about the Range Rover and the Z. So check it out. Link in the description below if you're new. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Alright guys, so there's a lot of mayhem going around. There's a lot of people here, as you can imagine. So we're gonna wait for that to die down a little bit, but let's go over the options real quick. So right here, you have the carbon fiber options right here. You got the carbon fiber steering wheel. To be honest with you, I never really liked the steering wheel. You know, that square, double square thing that they got going on. Never really liked it, but it feels okay, you know, in your hands. So it's actually alright in person. You got yourself a carbon fiber engine cover too. And the side mirrors as well. In case you want to, you know, spec up your car, you know, with some more carbon fiber, you got these bits right here. We got the calipers in colors, right? So we got all the colors for the brake pads, for the brake calipers, and then they're pretty huge, man. So we got the reds over here. We got some green, yellowish green, orange, black, silver, you know. And we also have the colors for the outside of the car as well, the exterior of the car. We have some new colors for the Z06. We have the carbon flash metallic, and we have white pearl metallic tri-coat. So, guys, comment down below. If you were to spec out your Z06, what color will you use? Me personally, I'm feeling the black one right here for a stealthy look, or the torch red, which you're about to see in a bit, or even the rapid blue. If you want, you know what I'm saying, get a little bit spicy with it. All right, moving on down, we have the wheels and tires. So we have the machine face one right here, right? We have the black. We have carbon fiber painted, which is what's on the car right now. To be honest with you, in the C8 Corvettes, I never really liked the rims that they have for the car. Kind of like ruins the car a little bit, so you might have to go aftermarket. But for the Z06, it actually looks pretty good. Down here we have ourselves the tires. These are very freaking wide, bro. These are very wide tires. 345s, bro.
That's the racing tire.
Yeah, that's a racing tire, man. It's probably be more conservative. You have yourself, you know, a 01. What's this? Probably Sport 4S, Michelin. Regular ones, and these are the 07 package ones. So as you can see, it's less dragging. So, you know, more grip. Kind of crazy, man. I'll probably go with the conservative route because you don't really need all that for the street. Just to give you guys an idea of how powerful this car is, it has 670 horsepower. That's more than you get in a Lamborghini Huracan, more than you get in a Ferrari 488, more than you get in a 570S, you know what I'm saying, for a fraction of the price. So this being mid-engine and being priced, I'm gonna assume around 87. I spoke with somebody over here too. Let's say 87,000. It might start off at 87,000. They're gonna announce it at the end of March for the price. So expect it to be around 87,000 for a base price. And here at Ciocca, I'm proud to announce that they're selling these at MSRP. So no markups, you know what I'm saying? No markups out here. Right here we got the GT2 seat, which is probably the choice I would probably pick. We got some carbon fiber right here, inlets right here. And it's bolstered pretty nicely. It's a nice, comfortable fit. It looks like a really nice seat. Now, if you pan over here, you have yourself the competition sport seat, which is what the Z06 has right now. It's a different type of material right here. It's not leather. They feel different. Honestly, I will go with the GT2 seat because it's a balance of both, you know. But comfort-wise, I don't see anybody driving this for like more than like what, an hour without being, you know, uncomfortable. As I was saying, she's finally here. New Corvette C8 Z06. She's a beauty. Check it out. Check out this whole front end right here. 2022. One of my favorite angles of the car is right here. If you look through here, you can see cooling bits for that big engine at the back.
There she is.
Alright, the front. So to get to the front, it's actually a button right where I will have the key at. You don't need the key? Where's that? Where's the button at? Right where? Right there. Feel it?
Yeah, there she is. There you go, there you go.
There we go. It's actually pretty deep, yeah.
Pretty deep. Jump deep.
I should fit in here if I wanted to.
Hop in.
I mean, let's test it out, you know. Wallet right here. Yeah, practical. This car's very practical. What can I say? Pretty dope. People are checking it out still. I'll let them check it out before I take it away. So, yeah.
Take it home.
One of my favorite parts about the car is actually the brakes, man. These are the carbon ceramic brakes. Look how big they are. They're freaking huge. I'm gonna put like a little B-roll footage of like the regular C8 Vet, like how big their brake discs are compared to this one. But this right here, they're huge. So you know what that means. Stopping power. Now going on towards the back, we're greeted with this huge, and I mean huge spoiler right here. It's a love-hate relationship between most people. A lot of people don't like it. Me personally, I think it's okay, but I would do without it. You know what I'm saying? Go with something more subtle. Yeah. It's too busy. You know what I'm saying? It's way too busy, and I feel like, you know, it's aggressive enough. You know, if you step back, you see like all this aerodynamic bits going on. You got the vents over here, you know, nice tail lights over here. You got the diffuser back here, the 4 exhaust tips right here. Traditional Corvette Z06, you know, being down towards the middle, pretty dope. So you open up this trunk, and guys, just to let you know, we're the first people, one of the first people to be able to touch and feel and see the Corvette in its full glory. New Jersey, that's crazy. So right here, you see the engine. It's typically made just for this vet right here, the Z06. He has a nameplate right there of who made it. This one is made by Robert M. Cronin.
That's me. That'd be me.
From Kentucky. I mean, it looks crazy, but I feel like, I mean, there's an option that you could put like the carbon fiber engine cover on it, but that'll probably bring the price up a little more. But it looks alright. It sounds great though. I haven't heard it yet, but I'll put a clip somewhere.
What do you got going on here?
This is actually the roof of the car. So, being a target top, you can actually take off the top and put it in the trunk. So that way you have yourself, you know, the best of both worlds. You have, you know, the regular coupe, and you have, you know, kind of a convertible car. Let's say, for example, you're actually keeping it as a hardtop. You can use this as a trunk space as well. So you have a trunk here and a trunk over there. One thing I can say is like the sound must be amazing. This engine right behind you, screaming while you're going down the straight, shifting gears. Yo, can you imagine that, man?
I gotta show them how to get in. You gotta show them how to get in, yeah?
Get in, bro. Get in.
Oh!
Okay, so.
Big bucket seats.
All right, so right off the bat, right off rip, I'm gonna tell you, I don't like these seats. All right, they feel very uncomfortable. Yeah, there's no padding. You know what I'm saying? This is more for like racing. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it. I would go with the Cup 2 seats. Cup 2? Competition 2 seats? Yeah. Yeah. I'll put some up. But you see back here, you got your speaker right here. Finishing that aluminum finish, looks pretty well. Really nice. You can actually charge your phone over here too.
Wireless? Nice.
Wireless charging. You have a cubby over here for your drinks. You should have, you know what I'm saying, cup holders here. Carbon fiber everywhere. How you feel about this interior, man?
Interior, I like it. It's nice. Black and red is always my color. One thing I don't like about the car is it's a 2-seater. So, you know, I can't fit mine in the back. So.
This guy. Anyway, I know I was talking crap about the steering wheel earlier.
Nice.
But it's actually pretty nice, man. It feels pretty good. Like, you actually have to hold it for you to actually, you know, Because if you see it online, you'd be like, what the hell type of steering wheel is this? But it's actually, it feels really good. Especially with the carbon fiber paddles too. There's carbon fiber everywhere, man. How many times I say carbon fiber already in this video? Yeah, right? So one of my favorite things too is the screen right here. It's like facing towards the driver. It's basically like a FU towards the passenger. The passenger doesn't really have anything. But hey, man, just enjoy the ride. That's all I gotta say. This big center stack right here is pretty weird. Yeah, all the controls is right here. I mean, I feel like it'll take a while for somebody to learn all the controls so they could, you know, work them without actually looking at them. But hey, I mean, it's whatever. Headroom is pretty good.
What are you, 6'2", right?
I wish 5'11". But yeah, one thing that's crazy is like you looking back, you actually see the engine behind you, and you see that big wing. It's just, it's freaking weird, really weird. Feels great, man. And I must say, like, I think Corvette nailed it, bro. They nailed it. Do you think it's finally a supercar?
I'd buy one, yep, definitely.
It's definitely a supercar, yeah. So I don't want to hear no slander that's saying that Corvette's not a supercar. But check this out. Let me open the door real quick. Actually, let me see something.
You gotta hit the button.
Yeah, let me open the door real quick. You can see the screen light up, but what does it say? It doesn't say anything.
I don't think so.
Earlier when there you go. See, there you go.
It can't pick it up from this angle. It's got the blue screen on the side.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. So it usually says Corvette when you open the door or whatever. But yeah, man, I say it's pretty good. So guys, comment down below. What do you guys think of this car? Anyways, let's hop out. So guys, that concludes the tour of this dealership and also the tour of the Z06 itself. I want to say, well done Chevrolet, man. That shit. Damn, my bad. I'm cursing. That thing looks good, man. I'm not gonna lie. It looks good. It looks good, yeah. It looks good. Yeah, it's an aggressive car. It's a proper supercar, man. I don't want to hear no slander of the Corvette not being a real supercar. It's a supercar now. I don't want to hear no slander about it. Okay.
It's official.
Yeah, it has like essence of a Ferrari in some places, some essence of a McLaren-ish vibes, you know. It's a good-looking car, man. But yeah, guys, that concludes the video. Like, comment, share, and all that. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time. Subscribe, by the way. See you in the next video.